Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. As you guys can see, I'm standing right now because this hair is super duper lengthy and it's from Asteria hair. They went ahead and sent me their gorgeous 300 density 36-inch HD lace frontal wig unit. It's a 13x4 in curly. I'm living for this install, you guys. Like, oh my god, Asteria really knows how to come and play, you know. This unit came pre-plucked, pre-parted, pre-bleached. It is a beginner's dream. All you had to do was cut the lace off and just install it, which takes less time to do than if you had to do all of that all together. This install took me about an hour and a half, and I know if I had to do that it would have been more. So thank you so much to Asteria for making your units super duper beginner friendly. I'm eating it up, okay? This wig is just too good, insane. Look at the texture, look at the curl pattern, and in real time this hair is drying down and getting bigger. When I initially started, it was very much flat and it's just getting fuller and fuller and fuller. So that's a 300 density activating. If you guys would like to see me install this gorgeous unit from Asteria hair, just keep on watching. And if you want to know more about this wig, I'll have a lot of details in the end. So let's jump into today's tutorial. Hi babes, so this is my hair right now. This is the current state. I'm living for this gorgeous unit from Asteria hair. They sent me this 36-inch, and you know I never stand up for videos. I had to stand up for this one. This hair is huge as well as long. 36 inches, insane. But once you stretch it, because it's like past my waist, once you stretch it all the way down, it goes below my butt, like very much midway between my butt and my knee, which is insane. But this hair is gorgeous, and look at this curl pattern. Like this hair, look how full, the ends are so full. I'm living for the install. It is 100% glueless, and it came with a pre-plucked hairline, so I didn't have to do much. I can literally just stick this up under my wig, and I think that's insane. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back down real quick. I cannot complain. This hair is gorgeous. It was super easy to work with. The only thing is it was pretty time consuming, seeing that I'm having to work with such dense as well as such long hair, but I can't lie, I love it. I love the look. I'm gonna just turn around so you guys can see what it looks like from the back. It's extremely lengthy, and I'm loving this. I'm loving this 13x4 HD lace. It's really nice and long, a very long parting space, and I'm loving that. I can do a flip over, I can keep it in the middle, and it was just super easy to work with. I did not have to do much, which was even a plus, because imagine plucking this wig on top of everything else. It came pre-bleached, pre-parted, pre-plucked, and all I had to do was just install and style. So we're finally done, and this is my end result. If you would like to purchase this unit, I would highly recommend. It did not tangle, but it did come with its initial shedding, which was not that bad in comparison to how much hair is on this wig. And I feel like maybe because the hairs are longer, it looks like way more, but I promise it's not. Because if I were to unravel this, it would probably be like this much worth of hair, balled up, balled up, balled up. Like, see, very much similar. So I'm not really worried about the shedding, and so far so good. I cannot complain, and I love it. So thank you so much to Asteria Hair for sending such a gorgeous wig. If you guys would like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.